Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes using TurboTax with your W-2 form. First, make sure you have your W-2 form ready, along with any other income statements you might have received. Then, simply open TurboTax, either by logging into your existing account or creating a new one. It is important to select the correct tax year to ensure accurate processing of your return. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth filing experience. Once you are in TurboTax, navigate to the Wages and Income section. Here, you will find the option to add your W-2 form. You can either import it directly from your employer if available, or manually enter the information. Be sure to accurately input the employer identification number from Box B, your total wages from Box 1, and the federal income tax withheld from Box 2. Double-checking these numbers is crucial for accuracy. After entering your W-2 details, take a moment to carefully review everything for any errors. TurboTax provides a summary for easy checking. This is also the time to add any other income you might have, such as interest from savings accounts, dividends from investments, or even unemployment benefits. TurboTax will then automatically calculate your total income and your estimated tax liability or refund based on all the information provided. Before submitting, perform a comprehensive final review of your entire tax return. TurboTax offers a final check feature to catch common mistakes. Once confident, you can choose your filing method. Either electronically file for a faster process or print and mail your return. If you owe taxes, you can pay directly through TurboTax. If you are due a refund, you can opt for direct deposit for quick access to your funds. Congratulations, you are almost done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.